Soil testing, the foundation of scientific agriculture. Soil testing is a critical step in agriculture and horticulture. It can help to maintain soil is a healthier and good environmental condition for the crop production. Benefits of soil testing. It saves the cost of fertilizers, whatever the inputs, nothing but fertilizers, pesticides, and etc. Majorly, it soil testing measures soil pH and nutrient levels. It is crucial for yield. Soil sampling procedure. We need to avoid bunds, channels, tree shades, and fertilizer dumping spots. Soil sampling procedure prevents nutrient imbalances and soil degradation. Sampling depths 0 to 15 centimeters. Annual crops for that. For horticulture crops 30 to 60, 60 to 90 centimeters. Depth are the soil testing sampling procedure depths separately for resting of all the crops. Coming to the precision farming is nothing but optimizing inputs using technology. Benefits from precision farming is efficient use of water, fertilizer, pesticides will the major benefit from the precision farming. Use of advanced technologies like GIS, GPS, remote sensing, drones reduces the cost of cultivation and improves the yield quality. In precision farming, the effective use of water, fertilizer, pesticides takes place. Using of this advanced technology like GPS, GIS, remote sensing, drones, etc., reduces the losses and the reduction of cost of production will takes place. Post harvest losses also will be curtailed. Sometimes with the monitoring of remote sensing, drones, and etc. Nano fertilizers, the game changer in agriculture. Nano fertilizers is nothing but high absorption efficiency, low dose. We can maintain the low dose fertilizers through nano fertilizers, high efficiency. Nano fertilizers are high efficiency, low nutrient release, less leaching losses will be available in nano fertilizers. Effective micronutrient correction in fruit crops, grapes, mangoes. Nano fertilizers are high absorption efficiency, so low dose, high efficiencies, low nutrient release, less leaching. According to the government schemes, PM Kusum means solar pump sets for the energy security of farmers. Water, energy resources, and natural resources will be conserved. Uh, PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana helps per drop more crop through drip and sprinkler systems, irrigation systems. Soil Health Card Scheme was a flagship scheme launched on 19th February 2015 by Narendra Modi. Each farmer receives a small health card. A farmer efficiently once every 2 years, the farmer can receive the soil health card. Provides an assessment of soil quality, pH, EC, and organic matter content, OC, organic carbon, and the micronutrients like iron, boron, molybdenum, etc. We can use the drones, remote sensing, GIS, GPS, advanced technologies to modernize the farming. So, basing on this video, I am telling about that the innovation and the modern technologies in agriculture creates the more efficiency and less reduction of wastages. This is the major agenda to explain this video. And the soil health card scheme helpful for the farmers to assess the health of the soil, how the fertilizer levels are been practicing since many years. You can estimate the by soil testing. So which fertilizer we need to apply, we can easily find out through soil testing by assessing the nutrient level content through soil testing. Nano urea ifco company, Indian farmer fertilizer cooperative company, first time in the world discovered the nano urea. Nano urea lot size is 500 ml. The price is almost 225 rupees per bottle. So for instead of 45 kgs bag of natural urea, whatever you are available in kgs, instead of that you can maintain 500 ml of urea bottle. One bottle equivalent to 145 kgs bag of conventional urea. So the nano urea can makes and improves the nitrogen efficiency up to 80 to 90%. So up to 80% is scientifically proved. So this all the latest methodologies of soil testing and adapting soil testing in your field, and using precision farming tool equipments or implements, and using nano fertilizers, and easily accessing the soil health card scheme, and the PM Kusmo scheme, and PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana, as adapting the micro technologies in agriculture like drip and sprinklers. This all the things that takes the farmers into the next level, and to reducing the wastages, it will be maintained through these technologies in this video. Just please listen carefully, and once again, thank you to one and all. Please giving this lecture. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.